How to enable GIFs on Samsung keyboard.
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to enable GIFs on your Samsung keyboard. This feature allows you to express your feelings and ideas in a fun and dynamic way by using GIFs right from your keyboard.
What are GIFs?
GIFs are short, looped animations or video clips often used in digital communication to express a feeling, reaction, or to simply bring some fun into the conversation. They have become an integral part of our digital conversations, adding a layer of expressiveness that plain text sometimes fails to capture.
Checking if your Samsung keyboard is up to date.
Before you proceed, make sure your Samsung keyboard is up to date. To do this, 1. Open the Settings app on your Samsung device. 2. Scroll down and select Software Update. 3. Tap on Download and Install. Your device will check for updates. If available, follow the instructions to update. Keeping your Samsung keyboard up to date is important to ensure that you have access to the latest features, including GIF support.
How to enable GIFs on the Samsung keyboard.
Follow the steps below to enable GIFs on your Samsung keyboard. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Scroll down and select General Management. 3. Then, choose Language and Input. 4. Under the Keyboard section, select On-Screen Keyboard. 5. Here, choose Samsung Keyboard. 6. Then, tap on Smart Typing. 7. Finally, toggle on Predictive Text and Smart Typing. This should enable GIF recommendations as you type. Remember, not all applications support GIF input from the keyboard. If you're trying to use GIFs in an app that does not support this feature, you won't see the GIF option. And that's it. You've successfully enabled GIFs on your Samsung keyboard. Now, you can enjoy a whole new level of expressiveness in your conversations. Happy texting, and remember, there's a GIF for almost every emotion. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.